Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how to edit the template which was provided by Pankaj sir. So we'll be going to the basics of all the editing tools on Flexifunnels, how to harness it to create a clean landing page. So let's just get started. I'm going to share my screen. So the template should look something like this. Uh, Sure. So the template is optimized for both the versions. When you click on desktop, you'll be able to view the desktop version. And when you click on the mobile version, you'll be able to view the mobile version. It is optimized for both. So you really just have to put your content in a template and customize it according to your brand. So how to do that? Now, let's start with the nav bar. How do you change the timings for the nav bar? So when you click on this, you get a settings, open settings. So we click on open settings, and then you click on advanced settings, and then you can change the countdown timer. You can change the timer in itself, countdown timer, evergreen timer, daily countdown, whichever you want. You can just choose that. So I'm just gonna use countdown timer, and then I'm gonna edit the date to 5th Sunday, and then I'm gonna just put a random time. And yeah, so there we have it. We can edit the timer like that. And when you want to change the background of the section to the color of your brand or of color of your liking, you can just click on this and then go to basic settings and then background color is enabled to something. This so let's just change. So let's or you can go and then just I'm gonna make the colors section the same. So there we have it. This is how you change the color, background color. So about that. Now you're going to edit the text. The text right now is not readable, so you're going to click on the text box. And one way to do it is to just click on it, and the settings, when the settings is always open, it just goes to, when you click on it, it will automatically show up. So click on text settings and then Roboto is selected. Roboto is a text that I'm using. I think I want the size to be a little bit more bigger. So I'm changing the size. And here you can change the color. Click on color and then see. You can do the same. So click on list and then list settings and then you can click on text color and then drag. Alternatively, if your template is acting up or if it's not changing the color to, to the color that you wanted, you can see the color is already black, but the last two texts are not. That's still white. So you can alternatively double click on this particular text and then automatically this bar will show up. So if you see there's a, if you click on A and there's a option called text color, you can click on that and you can give, yeah, then it will change. So can do like this, and then you can click on this one, text settings, and then click on, again there's a problem, there's a glitch, so you'll have to select it and again click on this one. Now it's changed the color that you want. One more color that we have to change to 90 minutes. We're gonna do the same for this as well. Let's keep it at 3. So everything is done. You've changed the background color, you've changed the text color. Now you want to edit the video URL. So in order to do that, you have to click on the video and then click on the settings. And there's this option, this advanced settings, where you can replace the video URL. Just for example, let's go to YouTube and find a random videos URL. Landing page design. Let's take this video and then I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna click on the URL and I'm gonna replace the URL here. So that video will automatically change. Right. So now this is done. So when you notice the ridges around this video, there's a white border as well. Now it's not that seen, that it's not visible. So let's change that also. If you click on the video and go to the basic settings. So this is basic, this is advanced. So let's go to basic settings and under the effects, you'll be able to see border, border width and the border color. Let's change the border color to black or maybe something more since we opted for red was looking good. Yeah, this will do. This color will do. So we're gonna change it to this color. And then if you want to change the border radius at all, you see the curved edges, right? That is the border radius. You can control it. So it is in 10 right now. I'm gonna change it to 25. So you can notice the curves even more. So now that is changed. That is how you have to edit the border width and the border radius yeah, so this can be done under effects section. Effects, right? You can see it right here. You can change the size of the video to up and down here in the sizing section. Previously it was 85. I think I am satisfied with the size 85, or maybe let's go to size 80 and look much better. Now, how do you edit the text? So, double click it and then you can edit it to whatever. You can replace your content. We want to take a dummy content now and we're going to replace it. Double click it and then hit backspace and then copy paste. That's it, you're done. And you're going to be replacing content like that. Right, now we're going to be editing the spacing. The spacing you can see is a little bit above and then it does not look that good. So let's just go and then edit the spacing and let's just do a 30. And then we're going to take the list as well and we're going to edit the, now it looks a little bit, let's make it 30. See, now it looks very even, and that's how we do this. So this is important when you're working with spacing. There's two types of spacing available. One is margin, you can control margin, and one is padding. Margin is you can control the space outside the box. So this is the selected box, right? You can control the space. You can remove this entire box up and down. But then when you want to increase the spacing from within the box, so that's when padding comes into place. I'll just show you an example. I'll click on this, and then when you click, see the text box itself moves. Like the yeah, it's creating space from within. Since we do not require that right now, let's leave it. That's the difference between padding and then margin. So this is how you edit. And buttons as well, you can click on settings, and then you can click on, like, whatever you want to change. If you want to go to button, this is the button text. If you want to change the button text, you can write it here. Button text says example, register now. Let's keep it to register now. Apps. And yeah, if you want, you can add an icon to the button. You can add a subtext to the button. If you don't like how your button looks, you can explore different types of button themes as well. If you click on button themes, there's so many options available for you to pick. And I'm gonna, let's just say, pick this one. And this looks nice, right? You can do that. So I liked how the previous button looked. I'm gonna do, yeah, redo. So this looks nice. Now you can change, you can edit to whichever button that you like. You can choose the button option. When you want to replace the image, you can double click on the image, and then this will pop up. And you can upload whatever you want from your library. Say I'm gonna upload this, and uh, uh, yeah, since it has uploaded, let's just click on this option and it will change. This is how you change the uh, images. Double click and then replace. This is how you change the images. And here as well, double click if you want to change the icon. You can completely change the icon, and you can change the sizing of the icon as well. You can make it to 80. Let's make it to 80. That looks very good. 80. And if you don't like the round, you can go to effects. We always edit the border and the border style with the effects. So border radius is set to 50. We're going to make it, yeah, like this, and now it's ready. So this is how you edit the images. So do you want a different icon or illustration, or you're not happy with this, right? So you can always go to flat icon. Flat icon is a website where you can download different types of icons or illustrations that you want. So you go to this flat icon, and then let's say, um, let's copy paste something from the landing page, dummy content. So what will you learn? What is this section? What will you learn in this master class? So I'm going to how to identify and target your ideal customer. So this is what we'll be replacing it with. We're going to remove this content and we're going to be replacing this, right? Now it looks so much neater. How to identify your target ideal. Okay, so we have to pick a keyword from this. Identify and target your ideal customer. So ideal customer looks like the perfect keyword. So let's say ideal customer. Have click hit, and then we can find, yeah, we can find icons according, but I don't like any of these. Let's just choose a different keyword now. Identify customers, or you can just put customers. There's so many options available. Customers. This is nice. Yeah, this looks nice because it denotes like stars, and stars are very ideal. Like, it gives that, if you have, yeah, it just promotes, like, a good customer. So I think I like this. See download. So it will be downloaded to your gallery. You just have to go again, double click, and then browse. and then gallery, and then upload. You can replace your icons like this. So this is how you edit your template, just the basics. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions, and then uh, we can take it up and then I can solve. Thank you so much.